Essential security practices for every WordPress installation. So start by installing Wordfence. It gives you multiple layers to secure your site and will really guide you into making good choices and configuring your site to secure it. You'll immediately have a WAF, you'll have a malware scanner, you'll have two-factor authentication available, and so on. So installing Wordfence is a great start. Making sure that 2FA, two-factor authentication, is enabled on all of your admin accounts and all of your user accounts as well. Getting rid of unnecessary accounts, especially admin accounts that you don't need, and really minimizing that attack surface. Adhering to the principle of least privilege, where you only hand out privileges on accounts that actually need them to do the job that they're going to do on the WordPress site. Keeping the site up to date, updating core, updating plugins, updating themes. That's a really important layer when it comes to a layered approach to security on your site. Getting rid of inactive plugins, inactive themes, scripts that are on your site that might be lying around that you can get rid of. Just try to reduce that attack surface as much as you can. It's also less for you to maintain. Backing up your site is critically important. If you do have an incident, you need to be able to recover from that incident if your files are deleted or corrupted, and making sure that that backup is stored off-site. It's not stored on the same file system that your live site is on. And then having a layered approach to security. So doing all of these things, having Wordfence installed, having 2FA, removing unnecessary accounts, everything that I've chatted about is going to help you secure your site. And then lastly, password reuse. Eliminate that among all of your admin users especially, and then all the other user accounts as well, and suggest that they use a password manager to have unique passwords across all the services that they use.